Welcome back to my channel, everyone. We're back at HomeGoods. I know that we were just here. I just posted a video at HomeGoods, but it was so good. It gave me the itch to go to a couple other locations. So today we're gonna go to 2 different locations, hopefully, and see what these locations have in stock. I feel like the video I just posted was one of the better HomeGoods shops that I've had in a while, so it really gave me the itch. Anyway, let's get in here. Let's see what's at this HomeGoods. Right from the beginning, these rockers are so good. I like these. I like that they're not white. Gives it such a softer look. Oh, they're different. So these ones are $1.99 and they have like the wood back, and then this one has like the roping. Oh, I like them both. This is a great little mini lamp for a kitchen. I love like just a basic ceramic lamp, or simple, I guess I should say. I like the dark rattan on these. I really like that. It feels so much more sleek than the like light tan. I like those. Okay, I actually really like this vase. $16.99. That's beautiful to me on like bookshelf styling. This pillow looks like an abstract painting to me. This is cool. $19.99. I like that. Oh, but I love this. This reminds me of the Zara throw blanket I have, where it's like a subtle print, but you can barely tell. That is so elevated to me. Wow, I really love that. How much is this? This one's $29.99. It feels like it has a really good insert too. Okay, let's pull this one out. I have to set it down here. Oh, I like that. That's beautiful. Okay, I like this hamper because of the feet. I've never seen one like that. That's really cool. That's really cool. $49.99. This is similar to the other one I just showed you, but this one's actually darker. I almost like that better. Look at these lion terracotta pots. They're Martha Stewart. Okay, and they feel like legit terracotta. I like those. They're just maybe a little too frilly. I wish they were a little less detailed, maybe. I don't know, but I do like them. Oh, you guys know I love lions. So good. They have quite a few too, and they come in a smaller size. The smaller size, $16.99. Oh, those are so good. Those are so good. Okay, these pots are great too. $39.99. Martha Stewart as well. I like those. Look at these bolster pillows. $19.99. These are beautiful. I like these a lot. And then these ball pillows are really cute too. Sphere ball. $19.99. So good. This bamboo picture frame is really pretty. Actually, they have some great picture frames. This one back here. This, the beaded one. Even the scalloped is really pretty. Such good frames right now. Actually, these might even be better with the metal. They have it in gold and in silver back there. I like these. I like these trays. The herringbone print, just like the matte finish. These are really beautiful. How are you guys feeling about the disco ball trend? Do you like it? This pot right here with like the scalloped kind of rib detailing, $79.99. I really like that. off the bat. I'm at the second location and I already spotted something I like, which is these chairs. They're on clearance. It's in this like boucle with the iron. This is such a simple little pot, but I like it. $16.99. It just is so classic. I like this one too, $24.99. Really pretty. Okay, look at this umbrella with the little pom-poms. That's so cute. I don't know how well that would hold up, but it's really, really cute. This horse bust or head, I'm not sure what you would call it. I like this. It's stone. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. $40. That is gorgeous. Now, if there's one section I'm never gonna skip, it's the lamps. These look so high-end. I like these. $34.99. They have two. They have another one down here. I'm impressed. These look so good. They're like a metal base in this like very beautiful green. I love those. The shape is really good too. This is such a good art piece, but it's that super awkward size. This one's $39.99. Oh, it's a print. But it's that super awkward size that is really hard to find a spot for. However, it's really pretty. Okay, this vase down here, $49.99. It looks like it's marble. If that were matte, I would so want that. I still think it's beautiful, but not quite the finish I love. Still really, really good. I love the patina on these. I couldn't find a price. Oh, $59.99 for that one. This looks like one of those more one-of-a-kind pieces. $34.99. Look at how beautiful this is. Also, this little tray, it's in like the same material. I don't know what material this is, but I like it. Great pots right now. These I've seen before. This one looks like the one from Pottery Barn, almost identical. And then this one I really love. Actually, there's this one down here that has the lines, a little bit of that extra detail. Oh, so good. Oh, and these green marble spheres. Gorgeous. Never did I think I would be after these high shine silver, but I really like these. These are gorgeous. $14.99. And of course, I love the iron. I did not know HomeGoods has Amber Lewis. I think this is the Lowlie. I gotta say, I'm not that impressed with the quality, but I do love the print. If these were black or like ticking stripe, I would be so... Well, I do love them, but I love them more if they were black stripe. Okay, in the bathroom section again, and I found this 3-tiered little piece, $69.99. Oh, this is separate. How cute. $12.99, but I think this would be really cute in a little girl's room for like stuffies and toys. The scallops, how pretty. If you had a pool, this would be such a good piece to put your pool towels in. I like that. I love a button pillow. I feel like it just gives such a luxe look. I really, really like these. These are $20. Really, really pretty. You can also use them as like a cushion to sit on if you wanted to elevate your like dining seating. Oh, so pretty. Actually, quite a few of these pillows are really pretty. They have some really good jute rugs right now, just kind of like your smaller jutes. There's this that's like a loose woven, and then this one that has like a variety in sheen. And then this one looks round. And then this one I thought was really pretty too. I've showed these before, but this is another chair style that has never been old to me. I love this like French bistro chair style, and I love it in this white. How just, it feels a little glamorous, but in a good way, if that makes sense. I also like this one. It feels very chic and high-end. Oh, and that one over there looks very timeless. I don't know if this is something they do at all the HomeGoods, but towards the front where you check out, I found a bunch of mini lamps. So if you're looking for mini lamps, look on the wall where you go to check out, like that one wall. That looks so pretty. They have all kinds of good stuff over here too. I found great things along this wall. It's like the wall that separates, and then in between there is like where you line up. I hope that makes sense. But they got some good decor. Okay, I came to HomeGoods the other day to pick up a gift and gift bags. There's some gift bags here. These are the ones I got. They almost feel like fabric. They are such good quality, but they also have like a very big selection to choose from. But these ones in particular, I think it's this brand. They feel like fabric. They are such nice quality. These do too. Oh, and you get 3 bags for $4.99. And they just have such good print. Like, look at that print back here. That is gorgeous. This is where I can play with prints more than in my home decor, is in my wrapping. So fun. I kind of love this bubble picture. How fun is this? I never really go for things like this, but this being glass and not plastic, I like that a lot better. It's just kind of like a fun, summery, like outdoor dining vibe. I kind of love it. Another pretty basic pot, but I love this. I love the like terracotta with the glaze. $16.99. Really pretty. Okay, I kind of love this garden stand or garden little table. $69.99. I kind of wish it was all this top glaze, but the texture, that's kind of cool.
I can't help but notice you coming down the street, smiling so dearly at everyone you meet. And I can't help but notice you throwing me a glance, a wink telling me there's a chance. I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. No other could enchant me, darling, like you do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. Your sister says she loves me, wants to share my name. She spoke to Reverend Bixby, they've already set the date. So I'm working up the guts to tell her I'll never say I do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you. No other could enchant me, darling, like you do. 'Cause I've just got eyes for you. I've just got eyes for you.